Let me check the quality of recording. First of all, we have to go to Vahan Parivahan.gov, go to dashboard and click on Vahan 4 dashboard first. So just close it. So you come to this place, select actual value, then select Rajasthan state. Okay, then select Jaipur. Just select it. Okay, then you come to this place and select the tabular summary. So you come to this place. Again, you have to select Rajasthan, then Jaipur. Okay. At what classes? You just click on Maker, then select on this place is your month-wise axis. Remove it, and now if you want to select year 2019 and 20, just select and refresh it, or you just select the four-wheeler, right? So just click on refresh. You got the value. Now click on this extract and you will get the report. Now similarly you just select on 20, refresh it, and you get the data. After just click on this icon and you will get the RTO data of this one. And third is 21, the refresh, and click on this. Okay, you will get this data. Next, got this refresh and click on this, you got this. So there should be 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 23. Select data come up, and similarly you just download all the RTO data. Click on this, refresh, and you get the data. If you want, then you can bookmark this page as a Vahan Vahan registration station. Okay, it is very helpful to calculate the market share in automobile industry. So it is very helpful. Just close it. Okay, let me check the quality of this audio and video first. So in the video, I told you that how to calculate the market share using RTO data that I have downloaded from this website month on month. So you can just go to Vahan. I told you once more time, vahan.parivahan.gov, then click on this dashboard, click on Vahan 4 dashboard, and you just come to this place, main page. You go to the tabular summary, and you will get the this one, and just select the actual value, then select the state. Okay, then select your state, like if you are from Jodhpur or whatever the place, so you just select the Jodhpur this time. So Geo, so Jodhpur is there, Jodhpur at user domains. Just click on vehicle class, so it will give me a data as a vehicle class wise, but I want maker wise, like all the automobile industry and all the models. So I just click, and I want this data as a month wise, year wise and month wise. So I'm selecting the year wise this one, and just click on refresh, and I got the data. Then click on this place and you will get the data here, like this way, right? So, and what is my logic to see the data will appear like this way, appear the data will show like this. Just click on this and you will see the data appear in a non-organized way. This data is very non-organized way. So how to make a summary based on this data? Okay, so first of all I have to uh, organize or data restructured so that I can use this data again and again. Because you have to download this data month wise on this every month. So every month if you will download, then you will have to some system that you can organize the data in the form that, see, we do not have the year is in the first one. A1 cell contain the year, and the heading is contained in a row 4, and there is no heading in the dealer name. Okay, and there is a month wise total, so every month have a different month. So if you want, you can just check this in 2024. There is an only 5 months. So how will you summarize this data, right? So today's talk is, so we are converting this data into this, like this one. We have this data in a PQ, okay, and I have put this all the data into PQ. Just hold on. This is the remove it, paste it here, and I will tell you, I will organize this data in this form, right? I organize the data in this form, like we have a year here, then dealer name, month and value, and the details and registration number. So year on year we have data, all the data from 2019 we have it, and now we can convert, we can make it as a pivot table, and you will get the data as per year wise. So it is very useful, it is very handy. Just click on here and you will get the data. So just convert it to sum, and there is this is a text format. So go to text and collect, here is, remove it and finish it, so it will convert to the number format, and then refresh it, so you get the data, right? So my plan is to get all the data from this folder, okay, and make it in an organized way, so that it can help me to make some summary based on this data. So this is the first video that can be calculate the market share in automobile industry. So I'm just closing this, and I will start from the scratch. So first of all, you just download all the values, all the files, you just download all the files and keep all the files into the one single folder, just like it is for Jodhpur. I put it here, and for Jaipur I have put it here. So now I am making for the Jaipur, so I'm using this folder, okay. So let's start now. So just open a new workbook file and save it as a on desktop, save it as a market share Jaipur, okay. So it's a four-wheeler market share in Jaipur. Let's start now. Just go to data and go to get to power and click on this file and go to the from folder. So you have to select the RTO Jaipur, not for Jodhpur. I'm going for RTO, so just select it, or you double click and open it. So you all the files in this folder, you will get this all the files. So 2009, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, right? So just click on this combine and transpose data below this window. Just click on this here, and it will automatically check all the data. See, it's our first file, so just click on this table and you will get the data same. Second, you will get the data same like this way, okay. So we do not worry about, we will make it. Go to first file and select this one. You will get the unstructured data, same like we are seeing in a Excel file. So just click on OK, and it will open the, just close this folder. I don't want any folders open, right? My recording is started or not started, I'm telling you. Just see, it's started. So my Power Query window is open now. So now I will see, we have get all the data in an unstructured way, like we, so see, we have, if you just select this, all the data is here, one by one, one out of one, one below each table. So I don't want this, I have to create. So just right window, just click on this text expanded, click on this and remove other columns. So the source of data, you will see the source of data is RT Jaipur, it is automatically open. So source of data is also mentioned here also. Then it will filtered, invoke, rename all the columns, and the, we got this removed other columns, right? So we got the tables like this one, this one, you just see this table, this one, this one, and this one, right? So we have to restructure this data, right? So first of all, this is the file name and this is the table in each file. So I just remove this, just right click on this and just remove it, that's all. Okay, now just go to right click on this and duplicate this query. Okay, it is a very difficult query and I will tell you how to do it. So be focused on this, and now I will tell you, this is table. So just click any table. If you, there is a lot of, this is one query, then a second query, then just go to the second query, just click on any table. I am clicking on first table, so I just click on the first table, right? So whatever will I will do for table 1, it will automatically implemented for all the tables, right? So now first of all I will remove, my heading is this one at a row number 4. Row number 3 is blank, row number 2 is also not useful for me, but row number 1 I need, because it only contain, this cell is only contain the year, no, year, otherwise I will not know how, which year is this file is belongs to. So first of all I will remove this maker row. Just click on this, go to maker, select. So you will get the, this one, just expand it and copy it. Okay, now go to my, your main query, you will get the main query. Then come to the add columns, go to this one, paste it here, paste it here, right? You paste it here. Now just replace this place to this existing database. Just remove it and select this and insert this one here, right? And click OK. So this is looking like this one, and this table has maker is gone, right? So this is the way we will use it. Whatever the implementation I will do here, I will copy the paste the functions to the main query and it will give you the result one by one. So first of all I will do this, and now I want this name till this place because it is a null. There is a blank period and this is a null cell. So I just right click on this place, this column, and just replace values. So my replace value is blank and I will put it here as a null. So I just write it null in a small letter, N U double L, null, and OK. So it will come to the third rows also. Now I will do, just click on this place, go to transpose, then fill down. So it's come to this place, right? Now I filled it out. Now what I want, I don't want this two rows, I don't want this two rows, right? So first of all I have done this, replaced the, so first of all go to this, so I will do it one by one. So I have got this filter data, then I come to the this null. So I just copy first and go to this place, add transpose custom first I have filled the data, no? So just remove this place to this place and copy the custom. Okay, now look at this. Now my first table have a maker, my second table did not have maker, now third table is come to this null to this place, just the null this is over this way. Now third, now I come to the again this one and go to transpose, go to fill, and it is should be down. Now I come to this, now again I will copy it step by step, use it step by step. Comment, go to add column, then replace again, go custom column. Okay, now you get this null and now you will get the all this value. Now again I will working query. Now I will remove first two columns, two rows, sorry. So how we'll do is go to home and remove top rows. So my top rows is 2, I will remove 2 top rows, so just okay. So my 2 rows is gone. Now copy this query again, go to again this place. See, whatever we are doing, it will implementing on the all the tables in the main query, right? When I will don't, you don't need to do for one by one for each query. So what we have done here is remove the 2 rows. So I will just copy it here again, add, copy, paste it here. Now I have skipped 2 rows, right? From which query? So just latest queries in the latest table. Just go and click it here. So we have 2 rows. Now we do not have any 2 rows in each table. Right? Look at this. Right? Now come back to this place. I have to take this 2020, right? Because this file did not have any year later on. So we have to know which table we are using. So we have to click on this place, right click and split column into the non-digit to digit place. Look at this. Now again copy it step by step. Go to add column, place it here, remove this database from latest database custom 3. Okay, and you will get the splitted form of the data. Look at this. Right, now again come back. Now I want 2020, not this close parenthesis. So right click again this one, split into digit to non-digit. Now I got this one, copy it again. This is a one-time exercise and you don't need to repeat it again and again. You have to copy and paste all the files into the same folder. Just remove it first, choose latest custom. Okay, you will get the 2020, 21, 22, right? So step by step. Now I will remove this 3 columns. I don't want these 3 columns, so removing it, removed, right? So I got it. And again go to custom column, paste it here. It's very simple. I'm using a very simple method to implement the Power Query, right? Step by step. We are increasing a step here, like left to right. We have come to this query and we got this all the way. We got the year. Now I will come to this place, right click on this. Oh sorry, we have to forget to remove this also. I just removed this also. So just remove it again and copy paste it here. And again you have to, whatever will you do there, you have to copy and paste here. as a function, so that process will be step by step. Oh my god, why it is giving error? Because this column number 2.2 is not there, right? We have this one 1.1, but here we have 1.2, so it's giving an error. So let's remove it, and again I'm reversing the process. Remove it and come back to this place where I have removed this one, and this one, right? And so that I can remove. Let me check which table we have. Now we remove it back to the again this. Check split. We have forget to split, so we have use it. Split. I hope we come to the split. No, we have it split now, so we don't need. So here we have a split, and here we have a split. So we will do from this one. So come to this place, click on this, and right click and remove columns. Now I have removed column 1.1, 1.2 and 3.2. Click here and come to this place, custom. Okay, remove it, custom, insert. Okay, now I got the data. Look at this. We have column 1, 2, 3. Now in which I don't have any columns, right? So step by step is process. Now I have to make we have headings like 1.31 2, and this is not workful, so I have to make a headings of this table. So what we have to do, just go to this place and choose first row as a header. Just click on this, right? Once you do this, just remove this change type. It is very important, right? But you will get this one, but I have forget one step. So come back to office, come back to your earlier query, remove it. Now you just click on this transpose and fill down, so that every rows have a year. So copy it, come to this place. My last query is this one, right? So I'm just add one more column and remove this to step by step process. Click on this. Okay, now this table have a 2020, but this does not have. This all the rows have 2020. So now come to this place. Now I use it from this one, use first row as a header, right? So I prompted it like this one, but I don't want this because some file did not have September, October, November month. 20 in 2024 we do not have September, October, November, so it will give me the error. So just remove this change type and click on this promote headers. Okay, now copy this promote header. Remember, just remove the change type and just remove the change type and click on promote headers. Copy the promote headers, not change type. Now RTU Jaipur, click on this one. Now come to custom table and paste it here. And this one, just remove it again and select the latest custom table like next. Okay, now you just see we have 2020, we have 20, we have 23, we have 24, we have 2019, we have 21, we have 2020. So but here we have heading 2020, we have a heading 2022, we have a heading is 2024, and we have a heading is 19. So it is very good. Now what you need to do, I have to write this is as a dealer, so just doing it. What step we have completed? We have completed this. Look at this. This column is available in all the tables because look at this. We have this table. This every did not have table, so blank is there. So blank will be fine. Available is there. If blank is not available, then you can choose another function. Either you can use it this way, just copy it. Okay, just copy it and paste it. This one. This one, and you will get the data. Dealer, dealer, but this table did not have dealer. Look at this. But this is have a dealer. This is the first way to doing this, right? Another way to doing this is a different thing, like right. So what if the table did not have this? See, this table have the another name, but this is the all the table have dealer blank is the heading is blank. But what if there is a table which some tables did have the headings, but some table did not have headings? So then this function will be giving a error. So what function we will use it in that time? This function will not work if the one table have a heading and another the second table did not have a heading, right? So in that case we have to use this function. So we have just removed and used table. Okay, table then dot names column names. Control plus space will give you the pop-up button, like okay. Now just now mention the table name. Table name should be mentioned in the form of variable, and variable should be start from the font button. So now my you can see the table name is prompt headers here. This is the you have to search this table prompt headers, right? The prompt headers table is this one. Okay, then I got entire table, right? But I need a first row. I need to first row. So you have to object and put it here. Okay, now you got it. Now I have to mention the name is DLR dealer, or you can say dealer and put here dealer. So first of all I have to remove this one. So we got it, removed it, type it, just double click here, type dealer. We got this, but uh, this should be variable. I want this part is variable because some table have a heading or some did not have table. So I want this as a variable. So I'm just copying it entirely and removing it again. Go to this place. Now copy and paste it here. Alright. Now it will not give me the it will give me the errors, right? Okay. Just to hold on. I have to prompt again. I got it. Remove this change type. Now come back to this prompt header, and now I will write this heading as a dealer. Right, we got it. I want to mention the heading name is as a dynamic without knowing the name. So let's see table dot column names. Now I want to table name. My next table name is prompt headers. So just select this prompt headers. Then first row for you have to write first row which is on 0, second row is at a 1, third row is a 2. So just click on this and this is enter. So this will, sorry, it will work similar. Sorry, my first column is this one. Sorry, I just removed it. Sorry, my mistake. uh, this is a column, not a row. So it's a 0 at 1, so I just put it here, 1. Now second, this one, right? When you bring this, now I want this variable. Why I did this? Because my some table may have heading name and another table did not have any name. Then I will copy paste this. It will not, it will give me the error. To remove that error, I am just using this way, right? So just select the table next. First latest table is custom 8, and here latest table is custom 8. Copy. Now I got this. Look at this. We did not have a dealer name. Now we have a dealer name in each table, right? Now what I have to do? See, very important. Now I will, the thing which I am telling you is this one. Now look at this. Sorry, the latest table. This table have a heading is 2022. This table have a heading is 2021. This table have a heading is 2022. So definitely when I will unpivot it, it will give me the error 2029, because this table will not. Look at this. Now I have to unpivot. Just select on this and click on unpivot other columns. This give me a, look at this, 2020 is mentioned here, hard code, and dealer is also known. Dealer will be found in each table, but 2020 will not find. So when you place this copy and paste here, if you place this copy paste, this will give you error of not finding the columns. Look at this. Okay, okay. Look at this. This table have a 2020, it will convert it, but this did not have 2020. Look at this. This is 2021, and we are searching 2020. So it will not find. This table have a 2022. This table did not have 2022. It will again error. So it will give me an error because heading must be similar. So for that reason, we have to remove this query. For this reason, I have to make it, this thing is variable. I have to make this thing is variable. Okay, so I have to select first two columns. This is first column, so it will come on 0. Second, this is second column, this is come on 1. So I just remove it, and I just remove it, and I will use it, the function. Look at this. Okay, so hold on, I will just pause it for a second. Okay, so we got this error because of, so get this, why we have got this error. We got the error because and did not each table did not have the same heading. The rest column is same, but the first column is different, right? So we got the error. Now we have to make this part, because we are searching 2020 in each table. 2020 we are, this is the heading of first column, this is heading of second column. We are searching these two columns in all the tables, but first table did have this headings, but the another tables did not have these tables. So it will give me an error because 2020 is not available, 2021 is available. So I need to make this part is as a variable, like, so we have to go for list function, list list. Okay, I have to go to list function and click here, list and first n column, right? Just do it, parenthesis, close and open parenthesis, Now first two columns, we have to select first two columns. So we have to select first two columns, then go to back to table columns name, then come back to this place, right? Now my table name is, what is my table name is? Rename columns. Let us table name is rename column, this one. So just put it here, and this one rename columns, right? Just select this one. Now for it, first two columns, right? 1 0 and 1. So I'm just putting here is comma 2, comma 2, right? And rest things should be remain same, and just press enter. The value will be come up. Now this function will work in all tables because this is not the variable part. What I will tell, my first two columns have some headings attribute, and just make it as a unpivoted. Just made whatever the heading it is, just unpivoted. That is what I had told this, because this table have a different heading. This is another heading, 2021 2022. Now I just insert the column, go copy, rename this column, choose the latest custom. Now again, remember to replace all the table with the latest table. Just okay. Now we got, look at this. We did not receive error 2020, 2021, 2022, but we have unpivoted all the table successfully, right? Without knowing the headings. This is the method to know unpivoting the Power Query without knowing the heading of the tables, right? Now I got the tables. Just now I have done my all the part. Now this query did not require, just delete it, and now come to the main query. I got the final table here. I got the final table is here, right? So remove rest other column, the remove other columns. Just click it here. Look at this. This is the text form. This is part is text format. Just click on this table. This is the text format. So just click on this. Click on the whole numbers. Rest things should be in a table, right? Okay. And now come to this place. Look at this. This did not have the heading. This table did not have the heading. So let me try this to have this. Just go to this place, and let's have this here, whether it is working for all or not. Let me check. I think this will should give me an error for, I think, 2020. Yes, it is. So just remove it. Yeah, change it. The custom table is this one. Demo table is this one. Every table, just make a copy of it again, right? Just come to this table. Look at this. This table have a 2020. Look at this. This table have a 2020. This table 2021. This table has a 2022. So I have to rename it. So just I am writing it here is year. YEAR, year. So whether it is this function will work, I don't think so. Why? Because it will search column name is 2020 and replace it with year. But 2020 column heading is not available in all the tables. So it will give me the error. Look at this. Just custom temp. select this, insert, okay. Look at this, 2020, it has 2020, so it will replace it, but this will not happen 20, it will give me an error because 2020 is not available, so this function will not work. So again the same with what we have did, we have to make these things variable. So just do it table column names, open parenthesis, now search the table heading, uh, look at this, the custom 10, just control plus space and search custom 10. Okay, now first column is 0, press enter. Look at this, now I got this, just copy it, and now I will create column without knowing the heading. Just replace this change type to custom 10, insert, and replace this custom 10 too. Remember it is very similar but this is not same. Just replace, do not forget to replace, do not forget to replace it, just replace it every. Now you got the table, this time it will not give you error, right? Average is not, this is done. I don't want this column, just remove it, okay. And just I don't want this table 02, just remove it, okay. Now I got the unpivot table. Just click on this button and select this and click on OK. Is working? Yeah, okay. Now I got this table. I got the all the heading here. Load more. So it's giving me all the here. Now this is a text format. Just change it to whole number. Let me check recording is working. Yeah, we have change it to text to whole number. This is whole number, right? Now this table is ready. Now it can be loaded in this place. Okay. Now you have to know which year have a which. So you just make it pivot table. Okay. The pivot table can be a dynamic also. So just click on offset and select the first column. So just this is this is the table. So just write in a reference mode. Reference mode a $1. Second one is a rows. Rows is a first row. So it will start from 0. First column should be start from 0. Then height of the table. So just make it as a counter and click here, right? And F4. So that, and what is the width of this table? Again use counter and click here and F4. This is our entire table, right? This is replacing our entire table. Just cut and paste here, right? Come to any place wherever you want. If you want pivot table here, first of all you just paste it here as a table, and so it's a data range. Scope will be entire workbook, should not use the sheet 1, so it will only work for sheet 1. Just select the sheet 1 so that it will work for the sheet 1 only. So click on this and it will, when you click on this it will go. Now select the pivot table from data range, press F3, select data range F3 and existing table the data source reference is not valid. Okay, check. Enter a select this. Yes. This is not working because I have choose the scope is sheet 1. Now I have to change the scope again, or you have to make it new. Data underscore range. This time I am using it. And sheet 1. No, it's not a sheet 1. There is no problem. Just cut and paste and that's it. Just go to RTO sheet and paste it some here. Then you just use the function name data underscore range. Paste it here. Now the function is this not a sheet 1. It is a RTO underscore GBR. RTO underscore GBR. References. Let me check data range. What is this? Okay. Okay, there is a problem. I have to give another formula. I have to make formula again. Dollar a dollar one dot zero dot conta select table 4. I'm just making the dynamic range for the pivot table, right? So this is what we have. Just cut and paste formula. Go data underscore range capital. You can use it as capital. There is no problem. Right? This time it will automatically capture this one. Now go to this place. Go inside pivot. Press F3. Date range. Okay. Click OK. So you got this table. This is a query table. Just remove it. Here, just click it. Range is there, and value should be here. Right? Value should be in the form of sum. Yeah, we got the sum. So right, you have the data in this form. Right? If you want to search the market share of in between, now you have to make a summary, a simple summary. You have to make a simple summary like this one. Look at this, the market share, the total, so total retail. Okay, the, the maker, you can say maker, so you say by okay, and data and Renault and Honda, Honda and Toyota. Right, the total retail should be, so you can search it Hyundai HUAN Hyundai and you get the Hyundai. The market share of in 2019 Hyundai retailed 15,000 vehicles. My god, so look at this. Total retail is So you just select here. So what I am calculating is market share. Just remember. Okay. And what is Tata? Tata. Tata Motor. Tata Hitachi is a construction equipment dealership, and this is a passenger vehicle. So you have to select this one and this one. The total of these two things. So come to this one. Just total it. Now paste it here. Paste value. Remove it because Tata had two dealership, Nexa and Renault. Let's say Renault is there. Yeah, we have a Renault. Select copy paste. Look at this Honda, HONDA Honda. So not a Hero Honda, we need a Honda cars, right? This one. Now we need a Toyota TOYATA. We have Toyota Kirloskar. Look at this, and we have got this nice table, right? This is total retail. From this to this is total retail. Now what is the market share year on year? So market share. So you can say my Honda market share is this place. Wait a minute, I have to make it total. Right. Just do this. Market share. Do not place the string. Just column. And this is a market share. Look at this. Right. And look at this. This is the market share of company wise. Just go home and okay, just give this table data as well. Oh my god, what is this? David, just do this. So higher market share is Hyundai, and I forgot to place in Maruti here. So Maruti should be Maruti. Yeah, we got this Maruti. Just place the Maruti. So okay, just leave it and type Maruti and place it here. Total. So just change the value of this table. Just click on this and press F4. 43. Market share. So highest market share is Maruti in the market. Second highest is Hyundai, and in year 2024, it's going to Maruti. Second number is Hyundai. Third number is Tata. Fourth number is Toyota. Fifth number is Honda, and seventh number is a Toyota. Sorry, Renault. So this is the market share we have come up with this data. Now, what if this is for Jaipur region? This is for Jaipur, Rajasthan, right? What if I will add this to Jodhpur? Look at this. I have to create a data for Jodhpur. So I don't want to practice same thing again and again. Just cut and paste it here. Cut this place to this place and paste all the file from Jodhpur. Cut to this folder. Right. Now come to this place and refresh it. it will come to the, it will automatically change for the Jodhpur. Look at this. The source of data will be Jaipur, right? So it will automatically change to Jodhpur. Go to data and refresh all. Okay, so now this table is also already changed. Now you need to check Hyundai Hyundai Hyundai. Look at this. Value is different. Look at this, right? So remember to have, like, we have to make this thing is also should be dynamic. So I'm just removing it. Just go to Hyundai. First number one. Go to this place. Come to, just paste it here. Hyundai. Then again Tata Motors. I need this Tata Motors. Tata Motors Limited. And again I want Tata passenger vehicle. Leave it for the time being. Renault. This is Renault. Now Honda cars. Look at this. Honda cars. Now we got the Toyota Kirloskar. And now I need finally as a Maruti. Now I got the same name which is mentioned in a table. So it is very helpful me to get the data from this table. So what I will do is I will put it here like a HLOOKUP. I use it HLOOKUP. Select this table, entire table, or you can choose more file. There is no problem. Just here, just a problem. I just made a mistake. HLOOKUP will identify this, or here leave it. So just HLOOKUP place entire table. Look at this. Now what I want is, I want to show you something. I want to match. I need to match this one. In which table? In which this rows, whatever with the range you can take it, no issue. Just click OK and press OK and press it enter. You will get the Hyundai, right? For this timing I will got this data. Look at this. This is dynamic. It is for non-Jodhpur. You can say market share. Right? I got this in the right format. Look at this. 20142. Look at this 2042, right? So I just remove it. Now I'm replacing this with power query. This is for Jodhpur. Now I am replacing it with Jaipur. Just cut and paste. RTF Jaipur. Paste it here. Now replace all the RTF, because this is data refresh on. Look at this. This is a this will also changed. Look at this. Yes, correct. So that is what how to make a market share table, dynamic table, right? That's all from my end for this timing. I will come up with a new assignment for the automobile industry. Okay. Till then, bye bye.